welcome back to my channel. Today outside is snowing a lot and it's made me missing one of the food from home called chicken soup with turmeric. I'm from southern in Thailand and I used to eat this soup when it's raining season a lot at home. I'm gonna make it today and the taste, everything is used a lot of herb and you can see, but it's good for your body. It's make you warm inside and that's really good. This is the first time I make it again and I'm going to try it. It feels like home. Really perfect for this season. So we're gonna start how to make it.
At first, I will soak some tamarind in a bit of water to make a salt. The ingredients today are 4 cloves of garlic, a red onion, 3 stalks of lemongrass, turmeric 15 grams, and 300 grams of chicken. I will prepare the herbs, beginning with the lemongrass. Cut off the leafy part and cut the base into thin slices. With the red onion, I will cut just half and I will put it in the soup like that. I will not chop the garlic, but I will use a knife to press the garlic and then the garlic will open a bit. I will peel the turmeric and cut it in small pieces. Doing this will get a lot of its yellow color on your skin. So you should wear gloves if you don't like getting your hand dirty. After, I will cut the chicken into small pieces. Beginning with boiling the water about 500 milliliters. And after the water starts to boil, add some salt, then add the chicken. While the chicken is boiling, take out the foam from the soup. Let it boil until the chicken is good, and then add all of the herbs, beginning with red onion, garlic, lemongrass, and turmeric. Lastly, put 3 tablespoons of tamarind, about 3 tablespoons of fish salt, and let the soup to boil until it changes its color to yellow. This is the gai tom khamin original taste. We have aroma from the herbs and the taste is very good, very healthy and make you warm and perfect for this season. I hope you will enjoy my video. See you next time. Bye.